part UI with Java means UI is the use Java for the back end and for the front end we use HTML and CSS. These are the description what I given to you. Given here you can see on my dashboard. I think yeah, this is these are the story description only. You just
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to create tables. Here we need to complete front end by using HTML and CSS. These are the descriptions. uh, yeah, UI creation can be done on the first phase of the project. This is the description point.
Okay, bro. Cool.
Yeah, that's only the thing what given in the Satish assignments because when we have started now it is only yeah, you can see in my screenshots also. So the thing is that when we start now then one by one it's creating. This is the first part where I assign like Sai question. Okay, so second part is this. This is the third part when we use Kanban. Okay, so this is that project, but it doesn't say that we have to work here. We have to work here only. So we can yeah, here we can create sprint from date time to date time. From where when to then. Then this is the sprint created, and this is the backlog creation. Then dashboard creation. This is the Jira project dashboard. This is the project page. Yeah, here we can update an issue field and assign to someone. What sir says we have to create story points like 2, 3, 5, 8 on points. Now there only we can assign this. This is the workflow updation, and this is the message of workflow updated. This is the story creation. What Akshada asked, I think.
And where you wrote the acceptance criteria.
Acceptance criteria for assigning or for to me.
Uh, I don't know, it is given in the problem statement.
Acceptance means like I assign to Sai in progress, okay, and he watch my all issues and he assigned like that it is done. So when he done by his side, na, then it is completed or accepted by me. That only.
And what is this user should be able to register by filling the below details?
User should be registered when he started to supply the project, na, then he have to be registered. This is at that point, I think.
But he don't need to provide any email or phone number to register.
But when we have this, actually, sir what to explain now? That is the older version. This is the newer version. There we can't write the phone number. Only email is sufficient for
Oh,
anything.
We want to create dashboard for
Yeah,
showing
yeah.
this.
We have to create dashboard necessarily.
Okay.
This is the project creation. Map out our project goals. There we can done it like front end UI, then database, then back end. And and this is the issue and a shining like I assigned to Sai. This is third one, Sai Kushal to Atul Mishra in progress. So when Sai resolve it, it is updated as done, and this is accepted by me. That's all. So this is the last part.
So in description, we can assign any task.
Yeah, this is all on you.
Did you kept
Can
viewers
you?
private?
Yes, one assigned to Sai, all other are private because the updation can be done only by me, na? That's why I take it private.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can you just open your project and create one more story?
Yeah, right. So this is the story point where we can create directly what's need to be done. I need to develop a software. Yeah, this is created.
Okay, and where you assigned?
On the issue part, when I think of customize, yeah, create an issue. Oh, sorry. There only. This is the summary, and this is the hype. What I all are things. Then we have to create, and after creation, it will be assigned.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I stop sharing. Okay.
Atul, can you help me? I'll share my screen if you are free.
Yeah. 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 Sure.
Okay, okay. Because all can get. They are also installing that. It is visible, bro.
1 second, although it is visible, but wait for 2 minutes. Guys, everyone joined, right? No one are left, right?
Yes.
Because it's a
Everybody is here.
difficult to access. So, uh, I'm just texting in the group, and we'll start in 2 minutes. Okay, go on, bro. There, I guess.
27 are there in the meeting present.
One was Satish and Satish left. So 27, the count is right, I guess. So you may start now.
Hello, Atul.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, bro. This is first page, right?
Yeah.
Like, I had to take any photo of this page.
Yeah. No, I can't take, but we have, but you can. There is no problem. After starting the project, you can take. So leave
Okay,
it.
okay.
Just go it that 9 dots and start the project creation. Yeah, Jira software.
Okay, all are opening.
Yeah, now scroll down. Create
This.
project. Yeah, Scrum, not Kanban.
Okay.
Use templates.
All do parallel, like he's telling for us only. So we can all guys do parallel. Like it is helpful for all, right? Because he can't say all time.
Go a little bit down. Scroll down. Yeah, here you can select any of these, for the team or for the start company managed. So I select the team managed project.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we can
Create
give
you.
the name of the project. Like by your name and by underscore you can yeah, dot Jira not by using underscore
Okay, bro.
or Jira demo or anything. You can do whatever you want.
I had to click this connect document and
No,
more.
no, it is showing error like use after Jira also one underscore. Yeah, it is right now.
Okay, it's enough. Uday
Yeah,
Gadri.
create project.
Someone has tested in Atul, give your email ID. I'm accessing.
Atul
Okay,
dot
create.
Mishra @gensar.com.
Okay, create project.
Yeah. So this is the create project created. Okay. Now we have to follow these quick start to all. Uh, Now scroll down a little bit. Yeah, create an issue, invite your teammates. These are the points we have to complete.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Your issue can be project task support ticket request from another network. Create, bro.
Yeah, yeah, create. Yeah, this is the
Summary.
story what we have to create. So summary, you can write anything like we have to create a project or we have to manage a project or we have like automation testing, anything. Summary, you write.
Okay, so sir has given the description. It is the actual task, right? That you need to create a user registration. It is an example of a task we have to
Yeah, we
assign.
can write here that thing also, or anything. We have to create a project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about label?
Labels are high. These are on assigning time.
It's a priority.
Yeah, priority.
Project.
And that labels not 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the things shareable share by Satish. These are also on assigning time we can see.
This
And
is old one. Bro, I'm opening these sort centers now. Like old guys has done their assignment. Use them to
Yeah, here we
Atul.
can write summary. Hello.
Oh yes.
Yes, here you can write some summary about anything like Akshita said, na, sir has given to us. So write those things only.
Like what's are told?
you can write anything, user management or school
Yeah, yeah,
registration, exam registration form, any small project you can take.
yeah. Like banking website you can write. And so this is the issue. So here in description you can write issue on front end creation or back end creation, anything. So this is the creation of issue.
Issue creation of
Issue in creation of database or anything. Front end, back end. Okay, create.
no need to type print.
By create another issue, you can write more and more issues. So we have to create an only one. So create. So
In
here,
progress. Done.
yeah,
You have created okay issue.
you have to take one screenshot of that like you create one issue here.
Okay, bro.
Not big, you can take a screenshot of all. By Windows
In lab
Shift,
we can take, bro.
yeah, and laptop. Windows Shift and S. Window key, Shift and S key.
Windows S. That's it. Okay.
Window plus Shift plus S.
Okay.
Yeah, now drag and drop where you want to. Oh no, drag from left corner to here. No,
Bro,
bro, not taken.
wait.
Yeah, from left upper corner to. You have to select
Sorry.
all screen by this.
Okay. Enough, bro.
Okay, enough. Leave it.
Or again I'll take. No problem, right? Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Now click on this where you got no not yeah, click here only. Now Control S to save on your laptop. Control plus S, bro.
Yes, bro.
Save it.
In D.
Anywhere, save it only.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Now go again on your project site.
Connect your tools.
Yeah.
Slack, GitHub.
No need to connect any tools here. I'll leave it.
Okay.
Go customize your board. Customize your board.
Yes, bro.
Show me. Yeah, yeah. This is plus shine, na? Here you can. Yeah.
Like we have to add anything here.
Oh, in my case, this is showing. Yeah, this is the.
Create issue.
Yeah, we have to create an issue here.
We have to add tasks in dashboard.
Yeah, we have to add task in dashboard.
Yeah, it is showing
Yeah,
right
go to
side
backlog. What's showing?
Bro,
gadget. Add a gadget. It is showing.
No, it is not showing. You just wait and watch. Just scroll down, bro. Scroll
okay.
down.
This
Yeah, go to backlog.
backlog.
Yeah, here you have to create an issue, which is already one created, and also create one here only. What's need to be done? Anything? What do you want to done? Like work on front end, anything type.
Okay. This also had to create, right? Down.
Yeah, press enter. Create it. Yeah, go to Word once. It is not showing workflow on your laptop. Why? Go to Word. Left
Here, bro.
side. Board on left side.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah. No, we have to add now workflow here. Scroll down a little bit. Go to project setting once. No, go on the dashboard. First we have to create dashboard. After that we.
Dashboard. Okay.
Yeah, dashboard.
Create dashboard.
Yeah.
Name like project name or any dashboard name in.
Your name, your name.
Okay. Description. Hmm. Dashboard. Bro, in dashboard like description.
Description on your project site, banking application
Oh,
creation.
banking website. Hello.
हाँ
What, bro? What I have to type?
banking application creation. or only banking application?
Private.
Yeah. No, no. For viewers, you can set it public or group for your group. Okay. For
Site
editors,
admin.
private only.
Group site admins. It is asking
Yeah,
about
yeah.
right.
Site admin. Okay.
Add.
Add. It
Editors
is
private.
editors you only.
Okay. Yes,
Now save.
bro.
If you want to
Add this.
if you want to add editors, then you add here that your group can be added or your organization can be added that. So private only, I think this is good. Now
Yes.
save.
Add.
Take a
That it is
screenshot.
very slow.
Take a screenshot.
This page, bro.
Yeah, this page. Creation message you got now. That message you have to take a screenshot.
But it went, bro. Like it is not showing right in dashboard. I can take this star mark
Yeah,
is there, right?
yeah.
Control S, bro.
Yes. Control plus window. Oh, sorry, shift
No.
window S for screenshot and for
Okay,
saving
okay.
control S only.
Okay, okay. We can uh, like I can type here dashboard page
Yeah,
because all
you.
are okay. Dashboard is created.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Let me check for story creation.
Okay, okay.
Go to roadmap once. Road.
Roadmap.
Yeah. First left. Yeah. Here you can type what need to done. Creation of front end, creation of back end, and also database. Type here one by one. What's need to
Okay.
done? Creation of front end and a time given by a week. Now here it is selected a month now. You can select it as a week. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Create one epic more for creation of backend.
Create epic.
Yeah.
In weeks. Submission, bro. No need of type here. Any
If you want, you can type.
creation of front end, back end,
You add sprint na bro.
bro. Sprint.
Can you sprint by part? I think we missed. So go to your backlogs.
Where it is, bro? Backlogs. Like,
below roadmap.
okay. We'll complete up to this roadmap. No?
Yeah, this is completed. Epic is completed.
Okay. No need of taking this pic, right?
If you want, you can take because I taken.
Okay. This is roadmap, right?
What we have to do after creating this front and back end?
Bro, I don't remember the steps, right? So what I remember, I just continue with me.
Backlog, right? You told
Yeah,
like
yeah.
work on front end, backlog website.
Yeah, here you have to start a
Start
sprint.
print.
Here we can start a sprint. What sir is defining on the assignment. Yeah, this is the sprint creation. Here you can define the time, define the duration.
Custom.
Yeah,
Okay.
by custom or by yourself, by other things. What we can say by selecting the date
Data.
directly. And
When we are
sprint goal,
going.
you have to write a sprint goal for this. Like UI sprint for in 2 days, we want that that UI is completed successfully. These kind of things you can write in sprint goals.
Okay. Bro, hello.
Yes.
You can type anything like I have completed my.
This is the sprint goal, means you have to deliver that thing for your assigning people. So you have to write there like we have to complete our RUI part within 2 weeks. What time you are given? So type according that only. Think this is the right way of.
Creation of banking.
We have to create, right,
We have to create
UI part
UI part.
yeah UI part.
Wait a minute, bro. We'll check with this. Sprint goal. They have not written anything. Okay. Duration 2 weeks. Okay. So have to create UI part.
Within 2 weeks. Start. So this is the sprint what we have to create.
In backlog, it will be there, and I had to create our sprint. Okay.
Start.
Screenshot. No, has to take.
Now we have to create the last thing, our workflow.
Bro, connect your goals. These all loaded. Invite your teammates.
Go to backlog once and these three dots touch once.
This.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go a little bit down. We have to create our workflow. Where is that option of workflow? Let me check once.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So go to projects first.
This, bro.
Touch it. Yeah. Now here is these three dots. Touch these three dots. Complete sprint. Yeah. Manage workflow. Yeah. Touch on start. After this, create. Create. Yeah. Here, name. Write your
Project
name.
name.
Project name. Yeah. Transitions. What we have to complete. Project name.
Wait, bro. Minute. Banking.
Website.
Yes.
Where is this
Now in
workflow?
to do, it is on progress.
Bro, he is asking something.
Where is this? Now you are doing now workflow.
On
In project,
touching
bro.
project, you got your name on your project name. Touch it this, and after these three dots on the right corner, and maintain workflow. To do in progress. It is not done. Okay.
Rules. No need to add any rules.
Add one rule.
Assign
Update
to
and
me.
assign to
Update.
someone. Yeah, and also update one issue. First assign to someone.
Select.
Yeah, here you can choose a person. Anyone's mail, right directly or a person. You can assign your name only, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, add. Now assign an issue to someone.
Oh, we had to add this update and issue field.
Yeah, yeah.
description label story
Story
points
point
estimate.
step Ali cast estimate. Yeah, yeah.
One
Here
two four five.
sure said na 1 3 4 1 3 5 like this. So select
Hmm.
by clicking 2 or 5 anything. Not pro, not this. Only 2 or 5.
2 or 5.
Yeah, add.
Story point estimate. Okay. Second. Okay, I did write this both.
Yeah, now
What is this, bro? This feel like it is. Okay, okay.
leave it. Now cancel the workflow. It is completed.
No need to take any pick.
Uh, you can. So this is assigned to me. Waiting
Someone?
for you to join the team.
When, bro?
Our team member, maybe Satish, is assigned to me his project.
Okay. Bro, now what we have added like in workflow? Updated or anything?
Save it only. You have to only present in front of Satish only. Leave it.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Cancel the workflow. Yeah. Here, go for the story. Here you can write your stories, what you want, like summary, description.
Okay. We can do one more project also, no, bro. Like after if, you are helping now, but I can do my own any project, right?
Yeah, you
We can
can.
do
Yeah,
by giving any title and we can
yeah,
like we
sure.
are doing now business banking website. Next we can set any project name.
Yeah, so here you can write a story. Go to timestamp on timestamp on the right side.
Where bro? What is
Timestamp.
timestamp? Okay.
Here you can create a field for timestamp, labels, can create labels and assign to peoples. Go to people one. Yeah, here you can assign.
I have to fill all these, bro. No.
Yeah, and this is completed now.
Okay, okay.
After people, you can assign to anyone, and this is completed.
Okay, wait, bro. Let we complete this. Bro, what is this priority highest? Where it is
Yeah, yeah,
written, bro?
priority is highest. This is
Where, bro? Where we have to mention that? In sprint report.
yeah.
We have done that, or
We done this nice. We can create. We created a sprint. When you assigned this to the anyone, na, then you got that point or highest or done.
okay,
Yeah.
bro. Now tell this, bro. Like we'll complete this
Field
story.
name is in a
Field name.
story. Yeah. Field name. We have to create like front end. Field name is front end.
Description.
You have to create
So
in
how
create in 2 weeks.
created or create?
Create in 2 weeks. Shape changes. Now go down. Go down. No, no, no. Go down first.
Add option.
Yeah.
Add option.
Go a little bit up. Yeah. Here you can. You have to add field name.
Field name like
Field name like UI. UI. You write it right here. UI. Okay.
describe
Description is
both.
optional. Leave it. Leave it. Go down. So this to do sign here you have to click. Yeah. Right. This is the signing part. Touch it.
Enter field name UI.
Yes. What I created here, I don't remember for now. You created one story before, na? So leave it. Go to people once, bro.
Okay. Yeah, bro.
Go to people. This is created. Save changes. Go to people.
Field name it is asking like
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it blank. Go to people.
already exist.
Yeah, one story is created before.
Okay.
Discard. Discard it. Simply discard it.
People
Wait a minute. I'll see.
easy, bro. Like it is
Wait, wait,
showing.
wait. Just wait for some. So go to your dashboard once. Yeah, touch it. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, scroll down, scroll down.
No, bro. You can
Yeah, just
add
create here. Create here. Touch on create. Create.
create. Okay.
Yeah, fill all these fields.
Summary.
much background noise.
Wait, bro. Bro, what we have to fill like in summary?
In summary, your banking website.
Already created, but it deleted. Why, bro?
I don't understand that why it is happening. In my case,
User
this is showing too good.
description. User need to be created. It is showing there summary.
Atul,
Yes,
under sprint goal, what do we have to write?
under
Sprint goals.
under sprint goals, what you want to assign to the other people or assign to your teammate, na? This is only your sprint goals.
Okay,
Sprint
is this
means your
compulsory or
timestamp
optional?
where you want to complete.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Atul.
Yes,
Hello.
Arjun. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Guide me in some points.
Yeah.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay. So here I have created the company managed project.
Okay.
So what next?
First go to these 9 dots. You have to see
9 dots. Okay.
Jira software. Yeah, this is your project. Touch it.
No, I have to enter some stories in that. That I'm asking.
So once open it now, there is nothing.
Atul,
Yes.
Atul,
So,
it is
yeah,
showing Atul. It is
it is
showing
showing.
like in
Yeah.
dashboard.
Then
Worked on banking website creation of backend front end.
yeah, yeah, all
That's
right.
only right.
Then you complete it. Take a screenshot and leave it. Akshita, go down.
Okay. And
Yes?
Scroll down.
Okay.
in dashboards, view all dashboards is there. Then it is showing.
Yeah, okay.
Nothing
Okay,
is
Atul.
there.
Nothing is-
Should I
Then
create
create, yeah.
manage team manage project?
Create. Now here you have to write your stories.
Issue type will be story only, right?
Yeah. If you want to create epic, then it is epic. If you want to create a story, then it is story type only.
Attachment.
This is, I think, for registration purpose only, not for the description purpose. But you can take it, no problem.
No, I'm assigning this task, that is registration module, to someone. So the description will be this.
Fine.
Yeah, so after this,
Issue plus, click on plus sign. Position issue. Leave it blank.
Atul, like how many projects you have created? Only one?
I created two. Sir
Okay, okay,
is saying for two sprints, then I created for two sprints.
okay.
So
So
the
I'm
create,
like
touch on
I'll
create,
create one.
click
Okay.
on create.
just a second. I have to cancel this.
Yeah. Now create your story. Create.
And assignee.
Priority is high.
Okay.
Assignee you type on from for whom you want to assign.
Directly I have to type.
Or directly
Okay, give your name. Atul.
atul.mishra @gensar.com.
Is it right?
Press enter on there only.
Nothing is happening there.
Then create.
Atul Mishra does not
Yes.
exist.
Okay, you have to create a user. First, they're assigned to you only. Assigned to me. There is option now. Then assigned to you only. Yeah, assigned to me.
Okay. Then create.
Create, yeah. So one story is created. Your issue has been created.
How to access?
Currently not visible. When you created your dashboard, na, then it is visible.
And what if I have to assign it to someone?
On creation of workflow, it is happening. When you create your workflow, then only you can assign to someone.
And where it is?
It is on. Let me check once.
Hello. Hello. Anyone there? Yes, yes.
Yeah, bro. Hello.
Yeah, I want to ask a question, okay?
Yes,
Like in
bro.
test
You can.
case assignment, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, in test case field, we have to write test scenario ID, test case ID, prerequisites, step number, test description, expected behavior. This only, na?
Template is shared in the group.
Yeah, but there is no actual behavior, na? Actual behavior we have to write. Anyone done with this?
Actual behaviors are told to write or not.
That I
Because
don't know.
because we don't know the
We
Yeah.
actual
won't write
behavior.
their actual behavior. We have to leave blank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand. Thank you.
Akshita, open your project. Jira project.
Atul,
Yeah.
after this, come on WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah. Just click on 9 dots again. Yeah, Jira project. And on your project, click this sign. What I can say, these 9 dots below, there is a sign now. Yeah, expand. Yeah, here on backlogs, a roadmap, all these things we have to create. First roadmap, backlogs.
So, Atul, I have a small doubt regarding this meet.
Yeah,
Now, we only have to explore Jira, right?
yeah.
Okay.
In Jira, we have to explore Scrum only. In
Scrum.
Jira, many more things are there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Akshita, you create epics there.
But I want to create a story right now and assign it to someone.
So go to your backlogs.
Backlogs.
Yeah, and these 3 dots. Touch on these. Yeah, here you can create issue and send to someone. Above 3 dots. Above.
This.
Side on share. Yeah. Here you can create board. Create a story here.
And what regarding this create issue?
Here you can create an issue only.
Okay, this. mm, Then how to assign the story?
Oh, there is a assign part on creation of dashboard. There you can assign to someone.
Create dashboard. Create a Scrum board.
Yeah.
Next.
Yes.
Or this
Code from
existing.
existing. Yes, you can, but I can create it with software project. Yeah, next.
But this
Right.
is board. How can I share the
Can
sprint?
I direct?
I have to assign a sprint to someone. Or you can say
Yeah.
story to someone.
I assigned a sprint to Sai,
Okay, so how to assign the story?
and one story also to say for creation of front end.
Okay. I'm not assignee. How to add assignees over here?
Like, wait a second, just let me check. Uh, Akshada, by creating you customize your board, na, then you got that sign to assign the story to someone.
Okay, so I need to create the dashboard.
Yeah.
Mm,
Let me present my screen, then you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Screen is visible.
No,
Hello.
no. Yeah, it's visible now.
Oh God. Yeah. So this is the page where we can write. This is the creation of creating of an issue. Here, by creating a issue, I can assign to Sai Kushal use. This is labels is high, sprint is none, reporter is Atul. So this field I can say.
Yeah, but in my case, it is not showing any assignees. So how can I add those?
First, create your dashboard, I think. Then,
Okay, just a second.
yeah.
Create dashboard.
Is quick start is showing on your window? Quick start. This
Quick start is not there.
create your dashboard first.
Okay, name what we can do.
Name your name only. Dashboard is on your name. No? This is my dashboard. Showing
And description.
description. Your project description.
Okay. And should we keep it private or public?
For let
Group.
for assigning case you can set it public. For editing case you can set it.
Group is not there.
Sorry,
What you said, public, na? Public is not there.
group is there. I think.
Group.
Yeah.
And editors only me, right?
Yeah. For editing purpose only you.
Okay. And save.
Yeah.
After that,
Check your dashboard is created or not.
yeah, it's created.
Now create an issue and assign to someone.
Create an issue. That green issues, okay. So from here we have to create an issue from quick
Yeah.
start.
You can create directly or quick start. It is easy to create.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, quick start is not there. So what's the alternate?
Alternatives. I think it is a on.
The create symbol above.
Yes. Yes. You can try it here. Yeah, we can try it here only. Yes, this is showing on me.
Okay, when you type any name, assign any name, then what's it showing?
A shiny. Look here. This is showing like Sai Kushal. I assigned to him.
Okay,
And my
can
name
you add
also.
any new name and show?
Adding.
Can you add any new name and show it to me
Like
so that I can
your name.
get an idea?
Akshada, right? AKSHED.
Invite teammate to Jira. Okay. I'll check whether that sentence is coming in my project.
Yeah, this is on Slack or Microsoft. You can directly assign here only or directly typing by email address.
No, it's not showing any invite any teammate.
How can I resolve this? In my case, it is showing.
How you added
When
those?
creation of that thing, you can assign to anyone or directly assign to you when you create that project. Maybe
Yeah, assign
I
it to me,
think.
but the project is to assign it to someone.
Then what happened
Otherwise,
when I created na I assigned to names of my teammates in groups. So I type anyone names, it is showing to me.
okay, I'll check out.
Yeah, this is my dashboard. You can check here. I assigned to say for two things, and it is showing correctly. These are my stories and epics
Dashboard
also.
is
Oh,
just to show your history,
yeah.
your task, nothing else.
So, but as I assigned, na, it is showing that I assigned to someone.
Yeah,
And
but
when I'm trying to assign, it is also assigned.
yes, but where we can add the users.
Yakshada dot.
See this sentence, it is coming invite teammate to Jira. It is not showing in my project.
Just create one new project and try it again. Maybe you did some mistake by assigning to you only. In that case, only it is showing like that. What I
Okay,
think.
I'll
Yeah,
check
just
it.
try. Yeah, just try again with new with some new project.